Hi, today we will see the flip cut. We start practicing the flip cut just with one bottle to make it easier. We grab the bottle only with the thumb and the index. When we open the pour, we just need to keep the flow straight, so the bottle will be inclinated towards me. When I decide, I close the pour with a bounce cut, and the bottle will fall down towards my elbow. After that, I start practicing to grab the other bottle with my last three fingers, middle, ring and little one. First with the exacto pour. In that way, I'll be able to practice the same bounce cut, getting ready to have another bottle inside my last three fingers. Now I'm ready to see how I need to grab the two bottles together to train a complete flip cut. In the same way, I'm grabbing the backhand pour. I get the bottle out of the speed rail. I grab the second one with the last three fingers. Let's now do it faster. Very important. After grabbing the two bottles, make sure you are starting the movement from the opposite side from the hand you are using, so you can have a good momentum to lift both bottles before starting the pour. We can make the same movement adding one more bottle, starting with the three bottles at the same time. Then I close the first one and immediately close the second one. This way I will get 1/4 ounce difference. That's actually the first example of the free pour mechanical technique. We will see this technique again in the next workshop.